In today's video, we talk about how to set up Auto Deposit CIBC 2025 Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. First, open CIBC. Using CIBC Online Banking, sign in. Access your account at CIBC Online Banking. Navigate to Interact e-Transfer. From the menu, select Interact e-Transfer. Access. Auto Deposit Settings. Click on Auto Deposit Settings. Register contact information. Enter the email address or mobile number you want to link for auto deposit and select the account where funds should be deposited. Confirm registration. After reviewing your details, select Confirm. Complete verification. You'll receive a verification email or text from Interact. Click on Complete Registration within 24 hours to finalize the setup. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.